The 2025 Toyota Highlander is a midsize SUV that combines versatility and family-friendly features with a touch of luxury. Powered by a reliable V6 engine and paired with an available hybrid option, the Highlander ensures efficiency without compromising performance. With seating for up to 8 passengers and a spacious cargo area, it's built for long road trips and daily commutes alike. From the outside, the Highlander sports a bold and modern design. The sleek lines and sculpted bodywork give it a sophisticated look, while the LED headlights and 20-inch alloy wheels add a premium feel. The front grille has been refreshed, offering a more aggressive stance, and it's available in a variety of new color options to fit your style. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin designed for comfort and convenience. The interior is crafted with high-quality materials, featuring a spacious layout with soft-touch surfaces. A 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system sits at the center, equipped with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium JBL audio system. The available panoramic moonroof floods the interior with natural light, making it feel even more open and inviting. When it comes to comfort, the Highlander excels with its 3 rows of seating. The front and second row seats offer plenty of legroom and support, while the third row is suitable for kids or shorter trips. Heated and ventilated seats are available, as is a tri-zone automatic climate control system to keep everyone at their preferred temperature. On the road, the Highlander delivers a smooth and quiet ride. The suspension is tuned for comfort, absorbing most road imperfections with ease. The V6 engine provides ample power for highway merging and passing, while the hybrid variant gives you great fuel economy without sacrificing performance. All-wheel drive is available, offering confidence in all weather conditions. In conclusion, the 2025 Toyota Highlander offers a blend of style, comfort, and practicality. Whether you're looking for a spacious family vehicle or a reliable SUV for daily driving, the Highlander continues to be a top contender in its class, delivering everything you need for both city streets and weekend adventures.